Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and performance report for Albert in Kentucky on this Uniden Washington. Albert got you ready to go, bud. Recapped all the 10-bolt caps in this unit, freshened it all up, tune and alignment, tied to clarifier, ultra bright LED. This thing come in, it was keying 3.5 watts with no forward swing, average power, and I believe it was swinging to about 12 peak. So let's get right to it and show what we got. 5-watt slug. Set the carrier at 2 watts. As you said you would be running an amplifier. 50-watt slug. Average power. Hello. Almost 8 bird. Peak power. Hello. 23 peak. Now, Albert, this is a beautiful radio. I did a little bit of jabbering on it this afternoon. Even talked a little skip on 6. Totally forgot how much I like these old school rigs. So, Albert, we're going to get this over to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.